Let's make some chocolate treats. Yum, 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 so sweet and fun. Come along and join the fun. Chop the chocolate, snap, snap, snap. Cut it into tiny bits. In warm water, plop, plop, plop. Stir it gently, mix, mix, mix. Slowly now, nice and smooth. Watch it melt, ooh, so good. Sweet, sweet chocolate melts in your mouth, hooray. Hearts and stars and fun shapes too. Let's pour and play all day, making treats together. Chocolate playtime, yay! Pour it in the mold, pour, pour, pour. Careful now, don't let it spill. Sprinkle on the rainbow bits, colorful and cute and chill. Put it in the fridge to rest. Waiting time is just the best. Wait and wait, what's that sound? Is it ready yet? We say